Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about how to deal with verbal abuses effectively. Verbal abuse uses words or silence to attack or control. It can be loud and aggressive or subtle and manipulative. Common forms include withholding information, dismissing your thoughts, unfair blame, and hurtful labels like liar or child. It happens in relationships, friendships, families, workplaces, and even with strangers. It's a form of emotional abuse, often paired with non-verbal tactics like eye-rolling, gossip, and power plays. 1. The best response to verbal abuse. Arguing or explaining yourself won't work. Verbal abusers don't engage fairly. The best response is to call out the behavior directly every time. If a friend blames you for unexpected traffic, don't justify. Say, "Stop blaming me for things I can't control." If someone calls you names, don't argue. Say, "Stop the name calling." Addressing the behavior directly is more effective than defending yourself. 2. When calling it out doesn't work. If calling it out fails, remove yourself from the situation, walk away, leave the room, or cut off communication. Refusing to engage shows their tactics don't work. Some abusers may change when they see this approach. Others won't. If verbal abuse is ongoing from a partner, friend, colleague, or family member, you may need to limit contact or end the relationship. 3. When cutting ties isn't an option. Ending a relationship with a verbal abuser is tough, especially with financial ties, shared children, or social connections. If cutting ties isn't possible, minimize contact, meet in public, or ensure others are present. Verbal abuse is never acceptable. Setting firm boundaries and refusing to engage is the best way to protect yourself. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.